Hello and welcome here on the Wave-like Theory channel. My name is Paul, and during the daily work struggle, I've learned a lot of interesting stuff around. Many tiny things, almost invisible, but very useful. I've realized they can be beneficial for others and decided to share them with you here in a tips and tricks videos. They will have nothing to do with the Wave-like Theory and the Gene software, but I found it as a great opportunity to attract much more people to my channel, making them aware about the theory and the software videos as well, but still providing an interesting content that people might be searching for, all accessible for vast majority and public. So let me do it and make it real.